Hi everyone, Darius from DeFoo, back with another cybersecurity video. Today's topic is Zero Trust Security Model, an increasingly popular approach that can help protect your business from cyber threats by fundamentally changing how access is managed. In a Zero Trust model, the philosophy is to never trust, always verify. Traditional security models assume that anything inside the network is trustworthy, but Zero Trust changes that. In a Zero Trust model, every access request is treated as if it could be a potential threat, whether it's coming from within or outside the network. This approach involves several core principles, the first of which is least privilege access. Users and devices are granted only the access they actually need. For example, an employee in marketing wouldn't have access to financial data unless it's essential to their job. The next principle is continuous verification. Rather than granting one-time access, Zero Trust constantly verifies users and devices. This means that users may need to re-authenticate or pass security checks at multiple stages. For instance, a user accessing sensitive data might need to complete multi-factor authentication even if they're already logged into the network. Microsegmentation is another key component. In a Zero Trust environment, networks are divided into small secure zones, each with its own access controls. This limits the potential spread of a breach. For instance, if an attacker compromises one part of the network, segmentation would prevent them from moving laterally and accessing other areas. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, is also a cornerstone of Zero Trust. By requiring two or more forms of verification, such as password and fingerprint scan, MFA ensures that access isn't granted on the basis of passwords alone, which can easily be compromised. Implementing a Zero Trust model involves monitoring and logging all access events. By keeping track of who accessed what and when, you can detect unusual activity early. This could include spotting an unusual login location or repeated failed access attempts, which could indicate a potential threat. Transitioning to Zero Trust can be a complex process, but you don't have to do it all at once. Start with high-value assets and sensitive data, applying Zero Trust principles to those areas first and gradually expand across your entire network. Zero Trust is an effective way to reduce insider threats and protect sensitive information. Tomorrow, we'll discuss the importance of regular security audits. Stay secure.